Now comes inheritance of two genes. Dihybrid cross, two contrasting character. It is a cross between two parents differing in two pairs of contrasting characters. Mendel made some dihybrid crosses in pea plant. Example: cross between pea plant with round shaped and yellow colored seeds, capital R, capital R, capital Y, and wrinkled shape and green colored seeds. Small r, small r, small y, small y. This is round shaped and yellow, wrinkle and green. The dominant, and this is recessive. And then round yellow, then we hybrid this. This is the table which is given for all this, and then we cross it and comes this. On observing F2, Mendel found that the yellow and green color segregated in a 3:1 ratio. Round and wrinkled seed shape also segregated in a 3:1 ratio. Then dihybrid phenotypic ratio. Round yellow 9, round green 3, wrinkled yellow 3, wrinkled green 1. It is a derived combination series of 3 yellow, 1 green with 3 round, 1 wrinkled, that is 3:3. Then 9:3:1. Then dihybrid genotypic ratio, that is capital R, capital R, capital Y, small y is 1. This is 2, this is 2, this is 4, and the ratio comes is 1:2:2:2:2:1:2:1. Then non-Mendelian inheritance. The types of these are incomplete dominance, codominance, multiple allelism, polygenic inheritance, pleiotropy. Then first come incomplete dominance. It is the inheritance in which the offspring show characteristics intermediate between two extreme potential characteristics. Example: flower color in Snapdragon dog flower or and Mirobiles jalapa. 4:0 clock plant. Example are red to white, complete red, and which comes in pink, incomplete. Parents are capital R, small r, which come to half r and small r half. The table comes red, pink, and pink, white. Phenotypic ratio comes to 1:2:1, in which 1 is red color, 2 is pink, and 1 is white. Then genotypic ratio comes to 1:2:1, in which 1 is capital R, 2 is capital R, small r, and then 1 is small r, small r. Here phenotypic and genotypic ratios are same. This means that R was not completely dominant over R. Pea plants also show incomplete dominance in other trials. Then yellow and red color, which makes orange. Here is the cross. Then phenotypic ratio comes to 1:2:1, that is 1 is red, 2 is orange, and 1 is yellow. Then genotypic ratio is 1:2:1, 1 is capital R, 2 is capital R, small r, and 1 is small r, small r. Codominance. Second term is codominance, in which dominance means little difference, but co means together, that is साथ. It is the inheritance in which both allele of gene are expressed in a hybrid. Example: ABO blood grouping in human. ABO blood groups are controlled by the gene. It controls the production of sugar polymers, antigens that protrude from plasma membrane of RBC. The gene 1 has 3 alkyls, 1A, IB, and small I. Capital IE and capital IB produce a slightly different form of the sugar. Allele I doesn't produce any sugar. Here the blood groups are given, and then genotype of it. A blood group A, B, AB and O. Genotype of them come to this. Then third is multiple allelism, which means it is the condition in which more than two alleles govern the same character. Second, examples of these are alleles of ABO blood grouping, in which three alleles are there, that is capital IA and capital IB and small I. Then comes polygenic inheritance. It is the inheritance in which some triads are controlled by three or more genes, multiple genes. Example, human skin color, human height, etc. Polygenic inheritance also takes into account the influence of environment. In a polygenic trust, phenotype reflects the contribution of each allele, that is, the effect of each allele is adaptive. Then the example of this is human skin color, which is assume that three genes A, B and C control human skin color. Dominant forms A, B and C responsible for dark skin color, and recessive from A, B and C for light skin color. Genotype with all dominant alleles capital A, capital A, capital B, capital B, capital C, which is equal to darkest skin color. Genotype with all recessive alleles capital A, small a, capital B, small b, capital C, small c, which is equal to lightest skin color. Genotype with three dominant alleles plus three recessive alleles is equal to intermediate skin color. Thus, number of each type of alleles in the genotype determine the darkness or lightness of the skin. Then comes pleiotropy. Here, a single gene exhibits multiple phenotypic expressions. Such as a gene is called pleiotrophic gene. In most cases, mechanism of pleiotropy is the effect of a gene on metabolic pathway which contributes towards different phenotype. Example, starch synthesis is P. phenylketonuria, sickle cell anemia, etc. Phenylketonuria and sickle cell anemia are genetic diseases in which the mutant gene exhibits many phenotypic effects. Example, phenylketonuria results in mental retardation, reduction in hair and skin pigmentation. Then comes starch synthesis in plant. Starch synthesis effectively by capital B gene, therefore large starch grains are produced. Small b have lesser efficiency in starch synthesis and produce smaller starch grains. It also shows incomplete dominance. Effective starch synthesis and then lesser starch synthesis, which is hybrid and come intermediate sized seeds. The concept of dominance. In heterozygotes, there are dominant and recessive alleles. Normal, unmodified or functioning allele produces a normal enzyme that is needed for the transformation of a substrate. Modified allele produces any one of the following effects. Normal, less efficient enzyme. In the case, modified alleles produce the same phenotype like unmodified allele. It becomes dominant. A non-functional enzyme or no enzyme at all, which means in these cases the phenotype depends only on the following of unmodified allele. Here modified allele become recessive. These all were the concept of dominance.